Imagine yourself in this 2013 Chevrolet Sonic Lieutenant. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include ABS brakes, spoiler, front reading lights, electronic stability control, passenger vanity mirror, dual front side impact airbags, brake assist, and panic alarm. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.